Assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? So in this video we are going to discuss about how we can navigate from one screen to another. So this whole process is called routing in Flutter basically. So as you can see, I have made this screen and I am passing from the main this and I've named this initial, and on the initial I have defined the container with height 300 and width 300 respectively, and I've assigned a decoration with border radius, and I've assigned column. First one is the Flutter logo widget, and the second one is elevated button, which was previously raised button. And on the on press event we will navigate to the second screen. So for that I will create a new dart file, name it as second one. Let's import, and I will basically copy the whole content and just change this text to go back. And what I will do is I will, on the on press event, I will navigate to the second page. So navigation works like a stack in which we push and pop. Pushing means that when I will press this button, a second page will appear which will overlap the previous one, and pop this the second page will close and we will return to our previous page. Okay, so to navigate we will use the navigator class, navigator dot push. We will assign the context, current context. Route, we will assign the material page route, which takes builder, and in the builder open brackets and pass the current context and open bracket, pass the next page, second page. Sorry, we need to return. Okay, so restart the app. Okay, so when I click this navigate button, build function return null. Oh, sorry, I did not pass the return. Okay, restart the app, and when I click this navigate, as you can see, we have we are on the second page, and when I click this go back, okay, so we haven't worked on that. So if we need to go back, we will write the navigator dot pop, which will take the current context of the screen and reload, and when I click, you can see we have come to the first page. Okay, you might have noticed when we are pushing to the next screen, there's icon on the app bar which we haven't defined. Look at the second screen. In the app bar we haven't defined the leading property. So by default, when you're using the navigator.push, this comes by default. So if you don't like it, if you need to hide it, you can assign container to leading, or there's a function automatically imply leading, set this to false. reload it, and you can see the icon has gone. So you can do this as well. Now let's look at the other way. For example, you are working on an application in which this initial screen is coming again and again, means the use of this widget is more in your application. So it will be a bad approach if I use the navigator.push again and again and pass the context like this. So the other way can be, I can use the named parameter, means I will define it in the in the main page like this, in the inside the material app, and then I can just pass the route name and I can go with the same process. We need a context for this. We can do it like this. Init, and I can return this material app like this, and in the run app call this init. Okay, so now I can define the routes. So the slash represents the home. Assign a context and return a widget you want to return. I want to return the, let's say, the second, sorry, the initial. And for the second, pass the context and return the widget. Second page. Okay, always remember when you're using the routes, you need to comment this code out. Okay, so how do we navigate when we have changed the approach? So comment this code out, and instead we can write now navigator dot push named, which will take the context, and in the route name we can define second. Okay, so let's restart the app for a better preview. Okay, so navigate and go back, navigate and go back. So as you can see, it is working fine. This is the best approach you can use. Okay, so that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more amazing content please hit that bell icon and stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video.